Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I teamed up with PicsArt to bring you a mobile photo editing tutorial because I don't usually do these. I thought I'd do this specific one because it's a very popular effect and a lot of people don't know how to do it on their phone, and so I thought I'd bring you a very simple tutorial, something that you can do very fast and improve your photos. So if you guys want more mobile photo editing tutorials, just leave a like and a comment, and yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So right here, we're in PicsArt, and you just want to press the plus icon to get started. Usually double exposure effects include a portrait and a landscape. I don't think I'm going to do that necessarily. You don't have to do that necessarily. You can choose any two photos, but I think I'm going to choose these two photos in the middle just because they have to do something with each other, like they're related. Like merging the photo with the two people right there with like the scene tower doesn't make any sense, right? So it doesn't fit the theme. So I'm going to just open up this picture. This was actually for my first photo shoot ever. These were my first clients. It was for like prom, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're gonna just add a photo. I'm gonna select this photo right here. We're gonna press add, make it slightly bigger. You want to go to blend and go to lighten or screen. Usually lighten looks better because it doesn't increase like the brightness. It looks a bit more seamless. I'm gonna just move it so that it fits within the subject's body. Like moving it to the right here doesn't make sense because the watch right there is outside of like the subject frame. So we're just gonna move it right slightly, and there we go. We're gonna press apply. So essentially that is the effect. But if you want to remove the background, like a lot of other double exposure effects you see, that isn't really hard, and it's actually the longest part, the majority of this tutorial actually. You want to go to shape mask. You want to select any shape, it doesn't matter. We're not really concerned about the shape here. And then you want to press the eraser tool. And to make the process faster, you just want to press on the third icon right here. It'll kind of like autofill it and auto do it. It isn't 100% accurate. It'll just save you a lot of time. So if we just based it off of that and press the check mark and like increase the background color 100%, you can see that it isn't necessarily accurate, but it fills in a lot of space. But doing this, you can see where you have to fill in stuff, because you can see like near his ear, those leaves, like the bottom right near her arm. So you can just go back and fix that. So use the eraser tool, set it as 100 hardness, I would recommend. You can even zoom in if you want. I wouldn't actually set it to 100 opacity though, because you wouldn't actually see where you have to fix really. I would only do that at the very end. Setting the hardness to 100 helps it like not glow and have a feather, because it has like sharp edges instead of like a very subtle like smooth edge, if you know what I mean. So some parts it'll be very tedious because it's hard, right? Because it's very small and you're doing this with your hand instead of like a mouse. But you would still have to do the same process of like cutting out the background, like on your PC or something. So this looks pretty good. And now if I increase it, I can see exactly where I'm missing. So like the left right here on his face, around her face, and around her arm. So I could just do that real quick. This is probably the trickiest part. You might have to cut corners. But I don't think anyone will notice because it's like a finger. So eventually you want to get to something like this. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And once you're done, you can add additional effects that I think really look good. So if you press on mask here, you can apply really cool effects that will add to the flare. So I think something like this looks really good, because now that you've removed the background, these effects are essentially only applied to the subject. So this is a really good thing that PicsArt has. It has a lot of cool effects like this. So I think something like this looks cool. And what I can do now that it's faded is like increase the contrast or something like that in Instagram. So I've gone on next right here and I save it, save the picture to your phone, or even like Instagram post right here. We can go to contrast and just increase it. And there we go, it's pretty sick. I honestly think with something like this, it looks better with the background, but it really depends what you prefer, and you can really adjust anything. You can apply your own effects to this. It doesn't have to be the specific ones I did. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.